Module 6, School's Experience on STEAM. STEAM activities increase students' understanding and engagement through hands-on learning, encourages direct interaction with concepts, and promotes practical knowledge acquisition. Active experimentation sparks curiosity and encourages exploration and discovery. STEM develops critical thinking by analyzing problems and drawing logical conclusions, promotes problem-solving skills through systematic approaches and innovative solutions, fosters creativity by encouraging experimentation and innovative thinking. Some digital tools that teachers at their schools find useful for conducting STEAM activities are online resources. Use platforms such as code.org for coding exercises, Khan Academy for interactive science lessons, and PHET interactive simulations, virtual lab simulations. Offline tools. Introduce robotics kits such as the FIRST Robotics Competition Kit, FRC Kit, Vernier sensors for data collection, and Arduino microcontrollers for hands-on electronics projects. Coding software. Engage students with Scratch for visual programming, Python for text-based coding, and Unity for game coding. Science lab equipment. Equip labs with microscopes for biology studies, physics kits for moving experiments, and chemistry sets for hands-on chemical reactions. By incorporating these specific tools and resources, educators can create dynamic STEM experiences that suit different learning styles and environments, promoting curiosity and innovation among students. Some STEAM experiences developed at VEFA School: robotics workshops, science experiments, STEM competitions, and interdisciplinary projects, guest speakers and workshops, STEAM field trips, coding clubs, STEAM clubs, interactive whiteboards and tablets, collaborative online platforms. At VEFA High School, our robotics workshops immerse students in hands-on learning with FIRST Robotic Competition Kit and SOLIDWORKS by mentors. Students build and program robots, tackling challenges like mazes and obstacle courses. They develop coding skills and teamwork, fostering creativity and resilience. Through these workshops, we inspire a passion for technology and empower students to become the innovators of tomorrow. VEFA High School science labs buzz with activity as students engage in hands-on experiments. Equipped with essential tools, students explore physics, chemistry, and biology concepts firsthand. From studying motion in physics to chemical reactions in chemistry and biological processes in biology, students gain practical knowledge and develop critical thinking skills. Through these hands-on investigations, we foster a deeper understanding of science and inspire a passion for discovery among our students. VEFA High School encourages students to participate in STEM competitions like science fairs and robotics contests, fostering collaboration and real-world problem-solving. We also integrate STEAM concepts into interdisciplinary projects, such as designing solar-powered vehicles, promoting cross-curricular learning and innovation. At VEFA High School, we host STEAM career workshops where professionals from various industries like computer science, biotechnology, and aerospace engineering share insights and experiences with students. These workshops provide valuable exposure to real-world applications, inspiring students to pursue their interests in STEAM and offering guidance on potential career paths. Through interactive sessions and hands-on activities, students gain practical knowledge and are motivated to become future leaders in STEAM fields. VEFA High School organizes field trips to STEAM-related institutions like science museums, technology companies, and research laboratories. These trips expose students to real-world applications of STEAM concepts and inspire them to explore further studies or careers in these fields. Through hands-on experiences and interactive tours, students gain valuable insights and motivation to become future leaders in STEAM. VEFA High School offers STEAM clubs where students collaborate on projects outside the regular curriculum. With a focus on coding, 3D printing, renewable energy, and environmental science, students propose their ideas and receive resources and guidance to bring them to life. These clubs foster innovation, teamwork, and creativity, preparing students for future success. At VEFA High School, We use interactive whiteboards and tablets to boost STEM learning. Teachers engage students with multimedia presentations, quizzes, and virtual simulations. These tools make learning dynamic and hands-on, fostering creativity and critical thinking. VEFA High School is proud to launch coding clubs, offering students the chance to learn Python, Scratch, and JavaScript. Equipped with computers and online resources like code.org, students dive into hands-on coding projects, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. These clubs inspire a passion for technology and empower students to become future innovators. These platforms offer seamless collaboration opportunities, empowering students to work together efficiently, regardless of their physical location outside the classroom. At the Istituto Santoro di Santa Rosa, teachers undertook an innovative educational initiative involving fourth-grade students in exceptionally educational and sustainable projects. These projects, carefully planned and developed over a period of 15 hours, focused on the creation of useful objects from materials considered to be production waste. The educational path was articulated through a series of dynamic activities, both in the classroom and at home, which allowed students to explore the concept of circular economy and understand the intrinsic value of waste materials. The project's program consisted of several stages. Meet the companies, 2 hours. Start from a real problem connected to the curricula, 1 hour. Brainstorm and analyze literature, 2 hours. Create a product in the laboratory, 6 hours. Simulate a company, 2 hours. Evaluate the final competencies, 2 hours. The fourth classes collaborated with companies from Turin and Piedmont. The slide shows some of the names and logos of these companies. The 4 challenges with which the classes grappled: producing products from waste, wool, citrus peel, herbal mix, and apple paste. After brainstorming, the 4Q class that worked on citrus peel hypothesized reusing the waste to create pectin, essential oils, and plastics. During laboratory activities, the students extracted pectins and then created plastic from processing waste. Class 4P carried out an analysis of the herb mix and hypothesized reusing it to create room fragrances and diffusers. This was done by distilling the mix and then creating the different air fresheners. In the year 2022-2023, Class 4M worked on reusing waste wool to create something else. This is a very problematic waste product, so in the last 10 years, there has been a lot of research into the possibility of using keratin to produce cosmetics. The class extracted keratin and produced a conditioner. Another part of the wool was colored using natural dyes, such as red cabbage and turmeric. The activity was developed by a 4th class in the year 2022-2023 and was a collaboration with its biotechnology. The students used a waste apple paste and utilized this, together with other ingredients, to create cosmetics that could then be used. In the case of Istituto Santoro di Santa Rosa, the teachers noted that the success of the workshops was possible because of these conditions: approach to the business world, and the idea of circular economy, learning about time management, learning about teamwork and research management, application of STEM methodologies, collaboration with companies. Thank you for your attention.